My name is Jönsson. I'm responsible for the supply chain. The company Bjelin was founded in 2016, and we are a group of companies producing flooring. We have totally 6 manufacturing sites, 1 in Sweden and the rest in Croatia, and we are totally 2,500 employees. We had actually no challenges. It was the time used for securing. We wanted to minimize that as much as possible. So we needed to find a way to the securing in a swift way, and we found that with the system we bought. I would recommend the system because it's a system that is a fast system. It takes approximately 1.5 minutes to secure the load, compared to the manual way we used to do, took 10 to 15 minutes. And also the supplier of the securing system is a company that has been on the market for many years and in different areas, not only for trailer. And the third thing is that they have been working with the trailer supplier before, so they knew what kind of question that could arise and how to solve them.